My name's Karen O'Brien, and I'm the Facilities Manager of the Toronto Dance Foundation. We own a historic building here at 80 Winchester Street in Cabbagetown in downtown Toronto. We have been using Asset Planner for approximately 3 years, and it started with an initial audit of the whole facility, and then we went from there, and once that was all inputted, that's when we started using the system. Here at our facility, we've used Asset Planner first. It was a really great tool with the audit information. The audit information was so thorough that we were able to have a really good idea of the equipment in our building and the structure of our building and what was potentially going to need replacement in 5 years and what could wait 20 years. I really think Asset Planner is a great tool for arts facilities. There's two reasons. The first is, as I mentioned before, the audit. The audit is so useful to have because it really gives you an idea of the condition of your building. Then you can prioritize what you need to repair, what renovations can't wait anymore, what things have to happen right away. The second thing is that it's a great tool for planning renovations on a whole. If you're planning an incredibly large renovation, you can list all the items and prioritize. And because when you're applying for grant money, for example, you need to be very detailed about the work that you plan to complete.